Well, I know this is a shocker, but the market fell again today. Let's see where MSTY stands now. Hello, my friends. This is Legend. So, the SPY S&P 500 fell today. It closed on Friday at 505.28, fell overnight, and if I show you the 5-minute here, it'll show you exactly, you'll see that big drop right here. There we are around that 505-ish area, and it just fell overnight right here down to 482.96 on the low end, and then came out a little bit, and then when it opened up for today, it fell down as low as 481.80. Oh my goodness, what a fall. But then there was talk of there being a delay on the tariffs, so the market took that and it just shot up around about 10 o'clock. Look at this. I mean, just went straight up, all the way up to 523.17. Goodness gracious. Could you imagine if you would have bought a call on the SPY when it was down at the bottom and then it rides all the way up to here? I mean, that is, let's see, that's almost a $40 move. Crazy. So could you imagine a $40 move on an option? That's just crazy. So let's just check out and see where MSTY's at today. So as you can see here, yesterday, MSTY, and we're on the 5-minute chart here, MSTY looks like it closed at around $20.63. Just like the S&P, it was trading right through that same line there, and then all of a sudden it fell overnight. And it did drop below our support line. It did drop down below it. It went down as low as 1787 right there. Came back up and it started bouncing off of it, right? Tried to break it again and then came back up. So it is testing it and it is trying to chip away at that support line. But then after that news came out, it did go up back up to about $20.90 before it came back down. And then it started trading somewhat sideways and ended up closing today at $19.24. So we did end up closing above our support line. If we look at that day chart here, you can see we are sitting above that support line. There it is on the day chart. We did end up closing above that support line. So we're still holding strong on that support line. But I tell you, this market sure ain't helping any. And the same goes with Mr. here. Mr. took that same big, huge drop right here and then ended up closing right here. Now this one is still staying within this range. But keep in mind, MSTY takes all of the downside but limited on the upside. And just a quick look here, as you can see, Bitcoin actually came all the way down and it did end up getting as low as 74.4 thousand. So it's been a rough day in the market today, but it did somewhat try to come back and then fell right back down after that news was labeled as fake about the tariffs being delayed. So anyway, I think I'm going to wrap it up right there. I wanted to keep this one pretty short. It's just a rough day out there, but I just wanted to let you know, we're all in that same boat. Everybody's portfolio is looking pretty rough, but this too shall pass. Just make sure that you're in good quality stocks to help ride out this down market. So if you don't mind, please subscribe and hit that like button. It'd be much appreciated. And as always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence before you get into any stock plays. And until next time, Legend out.